This is Gayle. This is Service Dog Friday, where Tomlin and I do a video about service dogs. So today, what we're going to do is going to show you some clips of when we went to Home Depot. Now, I chose Home Depot to talk about behavior because there are so many sights and sounds that are totally foreign to a dog. You have cut lumber. You have the sound of the machine that's cutting the lumber. The saw makes a noise that you don't find anywhere else. People have tried to talk with him, just all kinds of unusual things that, well, people do try to talk to him, but that's about the only thing that carries over from one store or experience to another. Behavior is critical in a service dog because they have to be trained no matter what to focus on their human. If they can't be trained to focus, then they can't be a service dog, because that is what makes them a service dog. So he went throughout Home Depot. You'll see that he had different distractions and he just walked right through them. So check this out. Okay, let's see what we can go find. We need to go find Daddy. Up, we better back up. Come on, boy. Let's go find the hardware. Come on. All right, this way, Thomas. Of course, getting materials is only half the battle. Now we get to go home and put the doghouse together, and Tomlin is going to be so excited. Maybe. The last dog houses we've had, he's not gotten in at all, but we're going to hope that this one's different. We'll see. Well, what did you think? He handled that just like a pro, like all service dogs should. Thank you guys for watching. Give us a big thumbs up if you like the video. And make sure you subscribe. That is so important. You'll get this and all of our other videos about travel and Service Dog Fridays and all kinds of great vids. So do subscribe. And thank you guys for watching. And we're going to see you out, about, and online. Happy holidays. Bye.